Welcome to week 7, module 7. I can't believe time is flying. We only have another week together. I wanted to go over the information for module 7 with you. During this week, so in week 7, you are going to be reading your chapters 13 and 15 in our textbook. Again, it is 100% online for you. It's in a PDF format under every single module, as you already know. But during this week, you are going to be learning more about guidelines for staff evaluation, approaches to evaluation and the career ladder, cultural considerations, module performers, firing, which is always a very difficult thing to do, at least for me, continued professional development, as well as you're going to learn about our mentoring program here in Orange County. So to be successful within this module, again, you want to read chapters 13 and 15 in our textbook. You want to view the video I provided for you on 3 characteristics of a happy workplace, and then also view the PowerPoints on the mentor program. You will be able to gain really great insight on this wonderful opportunity to mentor other individuals within our county. So check that out, and it gives you some information on who to contact if you're interested. So what we're going to continually work on this week after you do these items that we just discussed, you're going to continue to work on your welcome handbook, the group assignment. Now, again, that group assignment is due Monday the 29th. That's actually your presentation date. So you want to make sure by noon that day that you have already submitted your complete handbook as well as the presentation for every single person in the group to receive credit. Very important. And again, you can click right here if you have any questions on that. We've already gone through this handbook, but if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I'm just giving you multiple opportunities this week to get with your group. Again, you're just going to read these chapters, kind of look over what I'm asking you to make sure that you touch bases on, and then a couple of videos of the PowerPoints and the video that I provided. The rest of the time, please work on your handbook. You can do this through Zoom, through Google Meets to communicate, or even over the phone. If you have any questions, please feel free to get with me. If not, have a fantastic week, and I look forward to seeing you soon.